Welcome to 6th tutorial of Excel. We are finally moving out of basics to more intermediate concepts. Today we will learn text to column function. Before that, these are the learnings from the previous videos. You can go through them and revise and practice. Now we are in the learnings tab. Now we want to move to text to column sheet. So I'm pressing control page down. This is a revision of the previous concept. Now in the 5th tutorial, we learned how to combine data from different cells to one cell. Today, we will learn the exact opposite. That is how to separate data from one cell to separate cells. Now, I'm selecting cell A3 to A7. We go to data, text to column. Here, we have two options, delimited and fixed width. Now, we use fixed width when each of the words are aligned in columns with spaces between the words. But in our case, we have comma or space separating these words. So we are going to use delimited. Then we press next. Okay, now we have comma and space selected because that is what is separating our words. However, by default in most Excel, you will only have tab, which is pre-selected. So you deselect this, select on comma and space, and as you can see, your words are now separated. We press on next. Now, if you want to replace the words from A3 itself, then the destination will be A3. However, you want the separated words to come out from cell B3 onwards. So we select B here, we press finish. As you can see, the words are now separated in different cells. So guys, this was text to column function. Hope it helps you all. Happy learning.